So come on down to the feet. I really like to use the long pillow and place it underneath the whole leg. The reason I like that is because the extra little bit of height helps us with internal rotation of the femur, and that exposes the lateral aspect of the leg to us a little bit better. If you don't have a long pillow, a blanket, pillow, anything that allows the leg to stay straight and raises it up a little bit is just fine. First of all, with our practice, we just want to landmark Sen Kalathari on the lateral leg. So we spoke earlier about it traveling right, essentially over the top of the fibula. In terms of the musculature, we're looking at the peroneus muscles. So take a moment to palpate that. You can even palpate that on your own body as you sit here. As you get to the knee, we kind of skip the knee and we look for the iliotibial band. So generally, in most of us, you'll notice it pretty easily. It's quite prominent. We aren't going to be pressing directly on it. We're going to be working just anterior to the IT band so that the intensity drops a little bit. The pressure that we apply is automatically going to draw on the IT band, and you're also going to have an effect on the IT band because of that. We're just not going to press directly into it. Okay? So the first couple of moments, I just like to roll the leg just to prepare the hip. Once it's all set, kind of fix it there, and then one hand I like to give it jurisdiction from the knee down, the other hand I like to give it jurisdiction from the knee up. So starting just above the knee and just above the ankle, a little bit of a side rock, moving nice and slow, gradually alternating and walking your way up the lateral aspect of the leg. As you go, especially with the top hand, as you get to the top, you might want to switch the fingers to face up. As you go, you might notice as well that the leg kind of creeps its way in a little bit. Just keep an eye on that so that it doesn't fall off the prop. Occasionally you might need to shift the prop and realign it. But essentially you can work up and down Sen Kalathari a few times, and you'll notice some gradual release. You might also notice some noises in the belly, again because this line relates to the cross at the navel. So by internally rotating the femur here, oftentimes we get a little bit of those noises. Okay. So after a few repetitions, a few up and down, then you can give the whole leg a nice sweep. And then we would move on with the single leg activities after that. Okay? We're good to go? Let's pair up and practice.